Hello everyone. I'm Haiqing. I was a PCPM student, graduated in 2019. My major was construction management with honors degree. After graduation from MIT, I studied built environmental design and engineering in University College London. Now I've been working over 4 years in an engineering consulting company, Drees and Sommer in Shanghai. I'm mainly doing the green building certification consulting works and providing the specific green building strategies for different buildings and projects regarding energy, carbon, indoor comfort, and construction process solutions to our clients. I still remembered at the start of the course, I totally had no ideas on research and thesis. No speaking of literature review, methodology, and so on. It can be a little difficult to understand the course at the beginning of the class, but the lecturers will lead you step by step doing the literature review and help you find your own research questions. I think it is very important to choose a research topic that you are really interested in and could be conducted in the following semester. Because I changed my research topic in practice 2 because the topic I choose in practice 1 required experimentation, which was very difficult to achieve in reality. However, the good thing is that in practice 2, my lecturer was very kind in explaining and considering us. We had some coaching sessions that are very useful. We could discuss with the lecturers about the topic we select and any revisions, and the lecturers they would help us to sort out our ideas, methods, and organize the structure of the thesis. So at the completion of the course, I had a good understanding of how to conduct a research from the research question to the implementation. And I'm very confident on the knowledge I have. Through the course, I learned the structure of a thesis, the research methods, and how to conduct a literature review. And I'm able to reference them in a right way. I remember the final presentation at the end was very great. So everyone in the stadium and everyone had the opportunity to present their work and introduce their topics, which is also a great memory of my study abroad. For the skills I gained from the research practice course, I would list the first one must be data collection skills. So I learned to use different research engines and then the libraries. I also learned to collect the information by using the keywords. They are very important and useful skills in my following study and my current career. The second skill might be critical thinking ability from the data analysis, the literature review. I'm able to critically think the limitation of the research and the reasons behind them. And also I can see the possibility of the future research. The third skill should be time and project management skill. I think research is more like a project. We need to set our goals first and decide the proper research methodology. And we need to schedule well our timelines and the milestones. And finally, we get our answers and get to the targets. Uh, yeah, I also apply these research skills and knowledge in my current workplace. Because in my consulting works, I always need to convince our clients. I would say data collection, critical thinking skills, and these abilities are very useful. I usually need to collect reliable data and case studies as my supporting evidence. And showing them to my clients. So the data collection and the summary ability is very important. I'm good at using different research engines and libraries such as Google Scholar and our company knowledge management platform. And also through my research practice in the study life, I can think more critically and independently to overcome the challenges and problems at my work. Uh, and for the skills and knowledge, how can they contribute to my career development? I think we need research everywhere in our workplace. Not everyone is born as an expert knowing everything. So as I work as an engineering consultant, it is even more important for me to learn and research new technical knowledge to provide solutions and suggestions for my clients all the time. So for example, we had a project before. We need to make an embodied carbon menu by using a case study building from our clients, so they can reference the embodied carbon during their following decision-making process, and so they can decide which structure they want to choose and which materials they wanna use. It is actually equaling to do a research project. We need to because we need to research and collect the embodied carbon data of different materials in China and compare different materials. We set up a embodied carbon database, and we give a clear summary to our clients. So it will be very helpful in their decision-making process. Also, here are some tips. As I know, my boss and many employers, they tend to look for graduates with experience in relevant research topics. And also research ability actually is a very important competency required in our workplace. So in general, I was very appreciated for the license in MIT I have learned.